Hey folks, welcome to Brain Power with me, and I'm a teacher for today. And today we will discuss about what is the data type. It is a fourth lecture of the Python tutorial, and so in this lecture we will discuss the data types and what is the different type of a data types in the Python. Okay, so no, without any further delay, now let's get started. Table can hold the values, and every value has a data type. Okay, suppose variable hold the values, but every value has a data type. I think you got it. Suppose you want to store the 5 in the any variable, and then variable type is the integer type. Okay. Suppose you want to store the any name Abhay is stored in the another variable. So the variable name is the string. I think you got it. And now in Python, we don't need to define the type of the variable while declaring it because it's a very smart language. So don't need to the define data type in the traditional all the language, and we need to define the data type of the variable. Okay. Suppose here a is equals to the 5. Now what is the type of the a? So type of the a is here integer type. So variable, now here I let me explain you what how called the variable a is an integer type. So variable a holds the integer 5. So and we didn't define its type. So interpreter will automatically interpret variable a as and the integer type because 5 is a integer. I think you understand with it. And for check the type of the variable a data type, then you will write the type. So suppose you want to check the what is the data type of the a, and then you can go for the type a. Okay, it's a very simple syntax. And when we talk about the some code for the some example for the data type, suppose a is equals to the 293, and b is equals to amazing, and c is equals to 37.3432. I think all everyone knows the what is the output of these three lines. And so if you knows about that, and then you go on the comment section, write the comment for me. And if you not understand, so don't worry, and I definitely tell you what is how to work it. Okay. And so a is equals to 293. That means it store the integer value because 293 is the integer, and then it prints the type a. Type a, that means the it prints the integer type. Okay. And now where we go for the b is equals to abasing, and abasing so b holds the abasing. This is the string type. So type b, it prints the string type. Okay. And type c also prints the floating point because it stores the floating values. Now it's time to go on the VS Code and give the some demo for the data type. So click on the file, new file, and create the file tut4 dot tut4 dot tut4 data type dot the py. So I'll create the file, and after that we will zoom it. And now here, so now first write the some code for this. Suppose I have a variable a and store the 239, and when I print it, and what suppose, so everyone gets it, what is the value of the out is this program. So everyone knows, and 293 is the output of, because it prints the directly simply print the values. Okay. And when you want to check the what is the type of the a, and then you go for the print and check the type of the b and type of the a, sorry for that. And here now you can see, so 293 is the value of the a, but type of the a is integer type. So here firstly comment it and copied it, and here write the another thing. And suppose a is equals to, I want to store the a string, suppose, so my name, so my name is Abhay. So I store the a Abhay in the a string, and then I want to print the value. And what would we do? And it is very simple. And when I click on it and run the button, and then you can see Abhay, and then class is the string. That means data type is the string. And when I use the, now when I store the in the a, store the you store the any character. Suppose I want to store the hash, and when I run it, and then it gives the, it is also a string. Okay. And here, and when I use the suppose 234.2, and when I click the run button, then you can see it is the 234.2 is the floating value. And it is very simple. And when you go for the any true boolean values, and then it is very simple. When you store the true value, and what would we do? And so true, so a value is the true, and what is the data type? Data type is the bool. I think you understand with it. And now what is the different type of data types in the Python? So you can see Here we have multiple type of data types in the Python. First is the integer. Now 23, 22, and 10. I think understand with it. And what is that integer type of a data type? And 2.3, 34, 34, 3.3423, 3.243, and these are the floating values. And 2 plus 3j, 4 plus 2j, this is the complex numbers. And so you how to write the complex number. So, and this is the list. And when you use the square brackets inside there, number of the elements you can write, and then yeah, it is called the list. And when you use the parenthesis and you store the number of values, and this is the called the tuple. But one difference is in the list and tuple. Tuple is a immutable, but list is a mutable. Okay, mutable because unchangeable hai. And then yeah, and what is the boolean values? Boolean values, everyone knows that true or false is the boolean values. Sorry for that. And string abhay and ram is the string. And when we talk about the set starts from the when the number of the elements stored in the inside the curly braces, and this is the called set. But set is the unordered pair, unordered list. And what is the dictionary? Dictionary is the key value pair, and 1 and 2 is the key, and but Abhay, Ravi and Kisan is the value. And deeply discuss about the all the data types in the upcoming all the videos. So don't worry what is the list, what is the tuple, what is the boolean, set, dictionary. So don't hesitate and don't frustrate with it. And so I'll definitely tell you, and it is very simple, but you need a take a small steps. And yeah, I think this is enough for the day, and we will meet in the next video. So ring the bell and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.